This is Pre-calculus 12, Chapter 7, and we're proving the identity cot data times cosecant 2 data is equal to 1 over 2 sine data squared. So the first step is to pick the more complicated side because that's the side that is going to be easier to simplify to match the other side. So the left side looks more complicated to me. So we're going to write left side is equal to cot data times cosecant 2 data. Alright, and right off the bat, I notice that cot data matches one of the quotient identities, cos data over sine data. And you might remember that tan data is equal to sine data over cos data. And since cot is 1 over tan data, we just flip this identity to give us this one for cot. So cot data equals cos data over sine data. Alright, and we're multiplying this by cosecant 2 data, so we're going to have to put brackets. And cosecant is the reciprocal identity of that is actually 1 over sine data. So we can simplify it to that. And since there's a 2, we just write 1 over sine 2 data. Okay, and I don't think there's anything we can do here, so I'm just going to bring that down. And if you're feeling stuck, just look at your identities and try to find one that works for you. So I'm looking at sine 2 data, and there's actually a double angle identity for this. Sine 2 data is equal to 2 sine data times cos data. So we can write that. So 1 over, I forgot what that was, 1 over 2 sine data cos data. Cos data. Okay, so we're getting somewhere. So since we're multiplying these and we have a cos data in the numerator and 1 in the denominator, we can actually cancel those out. So that's what I'm doing right there. And I'm just writing it down. So this becomes 1 over sine data multiplied by 1 over 2 sine data. Okay, and if you look at the right side, we're actually getting close. So we just have to multiply these together to get that. And that's kind of easy to see. So multiply the numerators, and that gives you 1. And well, since this is basically 1 sine data and that's 2 sine data, it's going to be 2 sine squared data, which is the right side. So left side is equal to the right side. Alright, and that concludes this lesson.